from my part as much as I can contribute.
As for the Muslim World League, we are completely ready to help you.
The earth is who we are.
We're going to save the soil. Do your part.
And saving the soils.
And our planet's future depend on it.
Save soil, my friend.
Let's save soil and create a conscious planet.
Save soil.
Save our soil.
Save soil.
Sadhguru the hero.
Save the soil. Save soil. Save soil. Let's make it happen.
It is time to save the soil.
Save soil.
Save soil.
We know what we must do, so let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen.
Let's make this happen.
Let us make it happen.
Let's make it happen.
Save soil. Let's make it happen.
Our soil needs nourishing. Save soil. Let us make it happen.
And the movement that you are taken up, I could not expect any more God's blessing than that.
Sadhguru, and this campaign is so important.
I welcome Sadhguru's Conscious Planet initiative.
This is a global goal. This must be a generational aspiration.
Thanks to you, I know that we also are facing a soil crisis.
And thank you very much. You gave me a lot to think about.
You've been on this trip, 100 days, 27 countries, Save Soil campaign.
Good morning. Kaya Save Soil.
Soil is not our property. It's a legacy that's come to us from previous generations, and we must pass it on as living soil for future generations.